Hey guys, what's up? It's Al from Gmailfiend once again, and in this video I'll be showing you where to find the trash folder in Gmail. So before anything else, what you have to do is of course access your Gmail inbox first by logging in or creating an account if you haven't made one yet. So let's proceed to the tutorial itself. So over here we have the inbox webpage, and what you have to do is to click the more button on the sidebar over here. So once you have done that, then you can see a lot of folders, but the junk folder or the trash folder is found under the spam folder. So if you click that, then you will be seeing a lot of emails if you have deleted some in the past few days. So it says here that messages that have been in the trash for more than 30 days will be deleted. So if you delete emails, then they are not automatically permanently deleted. So they go to the trash folder over here. So in my case, I have deleted these emails, but I haven't emptied my trash yet. So they are still technically in my Gmail. So if you want to empty your trash folder, you just simply have to click the empty trash now, and once you have done that, then everything will be deleted. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.